Welcome to the channel Jobs for You Now. Today we will explore one of the Government of India enterprise job opportunity. So there are a lot of job opportunities for probationary officers. Let's see how to apply for this Government Enterprise Probationary Officers Recruitment 2021. So go to Google, type ECGC careers. Search, click on the first option ECGC Government of India Enterprise. So I will make a language selection English. Okay, so when you come here, so direct link is also given here in the announcement, recruitment of probationary officers. You can click here also, or you can go to the careers with ECGC. So when I clicked on careers with ECGC, so these are the options. So career with ECGC, recruitment details, summer internship. So we have to click on this current openings. So in the current openings, you can see there is a recruitment of probationary officers link 2021. So there are two options. Click here to apply online, and the second option is for advertisement. So we'll click on the advertisement. We'll see what are the details of this job. Okay, so ECGC Limited, a Government of India enterprise, recruitment of probationary officers. Okay, so salary they have mentioned here. One example they have given, CTC 13 lakhs per annum, and there are 20 centers are there where you can apply for this. And the mode of selection recruitment process is there will be one online examination followed by an interview, and the selected candidate will be shortlisted candidate will be called for an interview at Mumbai. So these are the 20 centers which they have mentioned, and it starts from 1st Jan 2021 to 31st Jan 2021. So these are the number of vacancies. So totally there are 59 vacancies: SC, ST, OBC, EWS and unreserved 9, 4, 16, EWS 5, unreserved 25. So these are the eligibility criteria. So relaxation for the caste category candidates. So what is the minimum educational qualification required? So a degree, graduation in any discipline from the university recognized Government of India, or any equivalent qualification recognized by the central government will do. So these are the details of the job description. We'll see how to apply for this. So there will also be an online pre-examination training for category candidates. Okay, so SC ST candidates can have a online pre-examination training. So this is the recruitment process for online examination. So this is the multiple choice questions: reasoning ability, English language, computer knowledge, then general awareness, quantitative aptitude. So totally there are 200 marks. And in descriptive, essay writing 20 marks, precise writing 20 marks. So these are the examination centers. Around 20 centers are there: Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Pune, Indore, Nagpur, Kolkata, Varanasi, Bhubaneswar, Raipur, Guwahati, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Kochi, Hyderabad, Vizag, Delhi, Chandigarh, Kanpur and Jaipur. So this is details about the interview. So these are the details about the criteria. Now how to apply? So candidates can apply online from 1st Jan to 31st Jan. No other mode of application will be accepted. So prerequisites for applying online: you have to scan and keep your photograph and signature a left thumb impression, and handwritten declaration. These are the 4 things you have to keep it ready before applying. So these are the application fees. So 125 for SC, ST and PWBD candidates, and 700 for the inclusion of all the charges for all others. So what is the procedure for applying online? So candidates are first required to go to the ECGC website and then click on the career with ECGC, click here to apply online. So through that link you can apply online. I will show you how to apply for this. Okay, so here we have seen click for advertisement. We have seen the details of this. Now suppose if you want to click for this, we have to use the desktop method. So it can be viewed through landscape. Okay, so this is what is the application link for new registration. Click here for new registration. So these are the details about the probationary officers key dates. So from here you can register, click here for new registration, and then you can apply for this job. Thank you.